So I totally failed in uploading a video last week, this week, past week. Didn't really do anything. Was really just upset about the Prelude being gone. So I didn't really want to do anything kart related for the meantime. But today we're doing some fun stuff. We got the other headlight to install on the Miata. And we have a new airflow meter to install on the Miata. And we're going to try to get the rear brake rotors off and resurfaced, and possibly do an oil change. And is that it for the Miata? Headlight, AFM, oil change. Oh, he's got to redo the tire too.
Tire fix.
Yeah, fix the tire, do the rotors, and then possibly fix the rear hatch on the CRV because one of the struts broke off. So, oh, look at the gecko. Yeah, we should get started. Well, we're down a car, so.
We still have 4 cars.
4 is better than 5, even though 5's my lucky number.
We still have a motor too. So.
Yeah, does a motor count as a 5th vehicle? It's still just hanging out, quite literally.
Prelude's not exactly drivable yet either.
Yeah, he had to send off the computer for it. Something's going on. Even when the guy came out to program the key, the immobilizer and the ECU weren't communicating properly. So this is still on hold. It does crank nice and strong though, so that's what was sad, is it just wasn't firing the injectors. So we think it's something with the immobilizer and the ECU. So hopefully that'll be fixed.
When it gets back, hopefully we'll start.
Yeah, so once the computer comes back, we'll see if it cranks up and drives. But until then, Miata time.
Miata time.
That maybe to get like some extra workspace table that I could just literally open the welding table and we'd have another top to work on. So that we weren't relying on this storm of a...
Maybe clean up the garage.
Well, I'll have plenty of time when I'm off of school.
Well, we have a motor to build or whatever.
Well, it's still gotta get cleaned up.
Not that one.
Oh yeah, we got James, that motor. We don't have to build it, we just have to install it.
Okay, install it.
Yay! We got the bracket on. So, Daisy, child, demon.
We're back.
Let's see if I can get. The only ones that I see working are the ones that I have to.
I mean, we got some stuff on the list to
Welcome
do.
to Florida. This is what you pull out when you're doing headlights.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why we were having a wasp problem when we first got this. We killed them with brake clean.
Yeah.
Quick fix. So, headlights are done. That's so exciting. Next is this beauty to be replaced. See if that helps us with our issues we're having. folks.
Now for the fun part.
Now we get to test it.
Is there a
Internal
procedure?
temperature high. Electrical.
Yeah, it's high.
We're gonna have to take it for a test drive to see if this actually fixed it, but it doesn't seem like it did. My bad, I kinda got upset and didn't feel like recording for a second. The Miata did not get fixed by the AFM. It is still stuttering when you give it gas. Oh God. And then I also have already done one of the struts, so I'm bringing you along for the other one. Oh yeah. That's it. This thing lifts so nice now. Like, you just barely lift it. Oh yeah. That's the stuff. I'm at work, multitasking at the moment, editing this video. And I realized that I guess the afternoon got away from us and I didn't finish the video. I told you I'm back on my regular nonsense. Yeah, we got everything done on the Miata that we wanted to, other than the rotors. We got the oil change, we did everything. Javier's convinced that possibly the AFM swap fixed our main issue, but he's saying that he thinks the clutch is so bad right now that the gears are just kind of slipping or something along those lines. I wasn't with him when he test drove it, so I don't really know what he's seeing, but he said it seems better. So I'm not sure if it actually fixed the problem and we just have another problem or what. We know we need a new clutch for it, so that's not a surprise. But yeah, we got everything done. It just was a crazy afternoon. Javier's grandfather wound up coming out and hanging out, and I wasn't recording when we did like anything else. So yeah, that's it for now, I guess. Happy Tuesday.